We got like a little hut here. This is so cool. Or is it like some kind of a trap? Okay, so we're in Grand Rapids. Checking out these old... Look at this sucker. This is awesome. That is amazing. Look at the wheels on that thing. Detroit Edison. There's like an old box car. There's an old caboose coming up. I don't know if I just said we were in Grand Rapids, Ohio. We're in Grand Rapids, Ohio. So. No chassis system one.
My question is, why aren't they using it? This says the Toledo Lake Erie and Western Railway Museum.
Huh, I don't know.
Ride the Bluebird.
That's pretty cool. You can tell it's falling apart because the door there. Ride the Bluebird. Security cameras in use. Wow. That's really cool. They got tax papers in there. If you got tax papers in there from 1991, you might want to secure your doors. Just saying. That's crazy. Cool. Yeah. I feel like you could walk right in there if you really wanted to. Like, this train line is clearly abandoned. Look at this. There's more cars down there. Huh. Whatever that is there, that yellow thing. Oh, pretty cool though.